Now let's talk about Magic Write with Brand Voice in Magic Studio Canva. Just a quick overview regarding that feature. This can be combined to help reduce text for the various stages of copywriting, from the brainstorming process to the first draft generation all the way to its completion. So for you to be able to use this one, you'll just head on to create a design in here. Then right after, you could choose a different template that you could use here. So you could just choose what you want to do, and then you could also try to use the custom size in here. Just add in the width and height to create the design. You could also import a file in here, or you could choose the different photos that you have added already onto your account. Now you could just also choose or try to open a file that you have already created so that we could use this for our Magic Write. So if you've noticed this little button here onto the right side, you could just go ahead and click onto this. So this is Canva's assistant. So you could see the Magic Write option in here that will brainstorm with AI suggestions. So we'll just have to click onto that so that we could use it. And then we're just going to use 5 or more words to describe what you want to write. So for example, we could just go ahead and try to add in here, write something about the sun. So we're just going to do this, for example, since we have a sun onto our background. And then right after, you could just click onto generate in here, or you could use the shortcut key Control plus Enter so that you could go ahead and generate. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to wait for that one. And as you can see, it gone ahead and already given us the words that we want to see. So you could just try to go ahead and be creative onto typing in your prompt so that you could go ahead and also try to see what you want to add onto your photo. So right after that, you're just gonna click onto that and you should be able to see the Magic Write option. So you could just try to click onto that. You'll see actually different options. Continue writing. We could summarize this if it is too long for you. Rewrite, more fun, more formal, sprinkle fairy dust. We could go ahead and try to have this one shortened out. Let's summarize that. And then as you can see, it was shortened. We could also try to sprinkle fairy dust onto this. And as you can see, it has changed already. So we're just gonna opt for summarize so that it would not be too much long, so that it will just fit onto the photo that we have in here. And once you're done to add in the brand voice, we're just gonna go ahead and head here onto the left side. You could see the brand tool in here. You'll just have to click onto that, and you're just gonna go ahead and scroll down here until you see this brand voice. So you could just go ahead and try to click onto that. So just a quick overview regarding this. You could get the right tone across every time when you add your brand voice to brand kit and use Magic Write. So we've gone ahead and already added Magic Write. So you could just go ahead and try to click add your brand voice so that we could go ahead and try to see what it will give us. So what you'll need to do in here is you'll just need to describe your brand's unique personality and how you communicate with your audience. So your voice is an important way to attract people to your brand, create connections, and build trust with them. For example, our voice is confident, casual, and friendly. So we could try to have this one copied out here onto the prompt. As you can see, we could write in up to 500 characters. And I've added also fun in here so that it will give us a little fun wording. So we're gonna go ahead and try to click on to save. And then we could just go ahead and try to re-click save changes in here. Now right after, you could go ahead and try to click on to generate in this brand voice. So as you can see, the text that we have added earlier has gone ahead and already changed onto something that is confident, casual, fun, and friendly. So you could just go ahead and try to add it here onto your photo, and once you're done, just simply go ahead and try to share, and then you'll have the option to download it onto your device. And that's just basically it on how to use the Magic Write with Brand Voice onto Canva.